Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pauna mensahe ninyo Virgo, strength. You are being guided by the cosmos. Stay strong. Positive outcome is assured. So we just need also to be patient. Virgo. Okay? Ginagabayan tayo ng Divine Universe. Kaya magpakatatag ka lang, huwag kang paghihinaan ng loob kung ano man itong minimithi ninyo, ano man itong outcome na maaring ine-expect ninyo sa inyong mga dasal, sa inyong mga pinagtatrabahuan, that will be met, no? There is a positive outcome, no, na paparating, no? Hindi man exactly the same doon sa kung ano man ang ine-expect ninyong maging outcome ang dadating, pero positive outcome is assured, no? May promise dito ang universe na positibong resulta ang mangyayari, ang dadating. Be patient and allow destiny to unfold at its own pace. Ayan. So, tanggalin na natin yung control over the outcome na gusto natin mangyari or ini-expect natin. Maging pasensyoso at pasensyosa tayo. Learn to be patient. Learn to wait. Kasi lahat naman, no, yung divine universe naman ang nagdidikta. Ang divine universe naman ang nakakaalam kung ano ang makakabuti sa atin, kailan ito dapat mangyari, kailan dadating ang mga bagay-bagay, no? Kaya we need to learn to be patient. We have blue star. Follow the light of your inner compass. The blue star, it will lead you to the truth that resides within your soul. Ayan. So, may guidance talaga. Divinely guided kayo. You're so blessed. You're so lucky. Kasi ginagabayan kayo ng divine universe. So, lagi lang nating papakinggan ang ating intuition. Sundin natin ang ating inner compass, ginagabayan tayo nito para makarating tayo doon sa kung saan tayo dapat mapunta or kung ano ang dapat nating gawin. Okay? What is best for us? It is time to reveal your radiant light to the world. Ayan. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo, isang inspirasyon, malaking inspirasyon ng maraming tao sa mundo. Maaring you are an influencer, baka nasa social media platform kayo at baka marami kayong na-inspire ng mga tao, no? Maaring ang tawag dito, maaring you are a motivational speaker, maaring isa kang yung siguro ginagamit ninyo ang social media to inspire many people, to influence many people in a good way, no? What else? We have unexpected. Ayan. Prepare for unexpected financial loss. Ayan. So, Virgo, mag-ingat kayo. No? Mag-ingat kayo sa mga pera ninyo. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga financial decisions ninyo because this is a warning. Okay? This may or may not resonate with everyone dahil iba-iba naman tayong sitwasyon, but continue to pray. Okay? Continue to pray para hindi ito mangyari. This financial crisis may be out of your control, but you can still control the outcome. See, you can still control the outcome just in case mangyari, diba? Deal with things ahead and try to prepare for the unexpected before it happens. Ayan. So, this could be really a good warning para sa iyo. Para meron pa kayong magawa, para meron pa kayong makapag-prepare kayo, maiwasan nyo pa ito, meron pa kayong magawang maging adjustments dito para maiwasan na magkaroon kayo ng financial loss. Okay? So, what else? We have growth. Expect good money flow, a raise, or a new job offer. Ayan. So, para naman sa iba sa inyo, merong magagandang flow ng pera sa inyo. Maaring meron dumating na financial blessings, you know, extra income, may pay raise, or baka merong bagong offer ng bagong trabaho. So, it's important to unlearn to grow as rules continue to morph and change. You're delaying your growth. The process of healing is worth doing. Ayan. So, what else? We have unlocking. Ayan. What was locked can now be opened. Ano to? Baka opportunity ito. You have opened the floodgates of abundance without limitation. Ayan. See? So, Virgo, feeling ko, ang pumasok agad sa isip ko, baka nagmamanifestation, kayo, affirmation, no? Nag-affirmation, nagpa-positive affirmation kayo. That's why makakapasok kayo doon sa powerful energetic higher energetic frequency para mag-manifest kayo na kung ano man ang ina-affirm ninyo, yung ganon, ano? Kaya ito, maaaring ito yung ina-affirm ninyo everyday, no? Kaya magbubukas kayo ng floodgates of abundance na walang limitasyon. So, it's going to be continuous inflow of abundance of money na maaaring mangyari rito, Virgo, no? Maaaring matagal nyo na itong ginagawa, matagal nyo na itong ina-affirm, pero ngayon, maaring this is the right time para dyan. Maybe this is the perfect time, the divine timing has come para magbukas na kayo ng floodgates of abundance. At ito na. So we have activation. You're activating your soul purpose and receiving gifts. Ayan. So, awaken your soul and tap into your ancestral memory and inner wisdom, focusing too much on the material world instead of the spiritual world. Ayan. So, balance lang, no, Virgo? Balansehin nyo lang. Dapat, lahat naman ng bagay, dapat meron tayong binibigay na kanya-kanyang oras, panahon at atensyon para maging balanse lang ang buhay. Hindi pwedeng puro lang tayo nandun sa material world, 'di ba? Hindi pwedeng nandoon lang tayo. Dapat lahat ng area ng buhay natin ay binibigyan natin ng oras, panahon at atensyon. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.